Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video. I'm feeling chaotic up here, which means I'm gonna clean out my makeup. Long story short, my boyfriend and I are renovating a shuttle bus into our home. So we're going tiny living. So that means I need to get rid of like 90% of my things, and I figured right now was a good time to start to clean out my makeup. So we're in the bathroom. We're staying with my parents right now, and I've taken over a bathroom, and I thankfully have like all these drawers for all my stuff, but we need to declutter this and throw away old stuff and just get it all in order, because I don't need that much. I don't use a lot of it. It just sits here and it clogs up space, and everything looks super messy, and I just can't stand to look at it anymore. You want to see what it looks like? Well, first of all, I did my makeup today. So there's some makeup here. That needs to be composted, so it's just gonna chill here. There's a brush here. There's a brush here, some makeup there, some skincare here. But most of it is in here. And like, this is just unacceptable on any level. So let's organize this shit. First of all, these hair things don't need to be here. We're gonna start with this right here. You're so old. This is beyond old. This needs to go. I'm just gonna pile that stuff on there. Okay. This is kind of new, so I'm gonna keep that for right now. I don't ever use you, so we're gonna see if anyone wants this. I'm gonna keep this until my new Makeup Geek shadows arrive, and I guess I'm gonna keep this. I like the highlight in there. Brushes and stuff, I just recently went through them, so we're good on that. Up next, mascaras and eyeliners. You're brand new. You're old. You're old. These are old. They're trash. Glitter glue's fine. You're new. You're not that old. And this. That was pretty easy. That was pretty easy. Now, eyebrow things. This is my taupe. I never really liked this. So I have blonde and brown. I do like to mix these, so I'm going to keep them both. And obviously this is a new clear one. This is auburn. I'm gonna keep this in case I go so manic that I dye my hair red, which might happen any day, so I would like to be prepared for that. What is this? This is dark brown. This can go. I like this. I like this. Lipsticks. Oh, there's two more eyeshadows. These are new by Auric. Love them. Keeping them. I guess I can put you in here. I do actually really like this stick, but you're old, unfortunately. So we're gonna get rid of this. Lipsticks. These are new. I'm gonna keep these. This is new. I'm gonna keep this. This is not that old. Milk Makeup red lipstick. You're new. I'm gonna keep you. Never gonna use this. Getting rid of it. It's also old. I'm never gonna use this. Gonna see if I'm gonna give it away. Gonna give this away. Got some old ass lip products. Old. Old. You're old. You're not that old. You're not that old. You I wear all the time. Liberty Old. Ashton. Old? I wish that... 6 months, yikes. Definitely have had that longer than 6 months. Never gonna wear this. Gonna have to trash that. New. New, but I don't love it. I'm gonna try and give it away. And my Fenty Gloss Bomb is new. And we've got an Anastasia Liquid Lips Pure Hollywood, brand new. Keeping that, obviously. Color Switch needs to just be rinsed. These are all new, so I'm gonna keep these. But all of these glitters, they're old, but I don't think glitter goes bad. I'll see if anyone wants them. Like, how cute are these heart little ones? I wish I was creative still. This is so old. This. Those are old. Bye. I need to repurchase that. It's old. I need to repurchase that. Let's move on to... This is pretty new. It's a little bronzer. I'm gonna keep that. This actually, I'm gonna try and get as much use of this as I can. Might depot a couple of these. So I'm gonna keep that for right now. This, I don't ever use it. I'm gonna see if I can give it to my friend. This is a new blush, so I'm gonna keep this. This is pretty new. I'm gonna keep this. These are obviously unused things, keeping that, but I can actually place that where it needs to go. Just gonna get rid of it. This is a new highlighter. Okay, concealers. These are really old. I need to get rid of them. I'm gonna keep the Ilia one because I do like it. And it's not that old. It's just not the greatest color ever. This is new and this is new. These are not that old. Definitely need to use them. So I'm gonna pull these out and put them somewhere that's not here. All of these foundations are good and fine. This is like my main foundation. It's time to get rid of this. So old. I need to use this up. It's just a terrible shade. I never use this, and this is old at this point, so it's got to go. This is a brand new setting powder. This is something that I'm trying to use up, so I'm gonna keep those two. I feel like I still... Do you like come... You like come off somehow. I need to finish using this up. This is not my favorite foundation, so I'm gonna see if I can give this to somebody. That's good. That's good. This was just so expensive. I need to finish that up somehow. And okay, so now onto the Z palette. There's literal mold in this, so I think these has got to go. I need to double check on when the last time that I bought these replacements. Those I might keep, but like everything else is so old and it just needs to go. And like this is so busted and broken, like it just needs to sadly be in the trash. Like I can't even save this, and old makeup is just not good for you. So I'm gonna double check on these. If I bought them in the last like 2 years, I might keep them. Everything else here is like 4 or 5 years old, and it's just time to go. So all of this is going away. These are not old, so I'm gonna keep both of those and use them up and probably repurchase them because I do really like these products. This is a skin tint. It's new and I need to use this up, so I'm gonna keep that. This box can go though. This I can shove back here because it's new. I don't love this concealer. There's also a hair in here. It's just, I think, a little too hydrating for me, so maybe I'll give this to my mom. So now I can put my skincare that is new in here. There's no makeup in here. It's just like some random stuff. I will actually still look through this because this needs to be looked through. So let's move you. This is Daniel's actually. Let him keep that. This is some jewelry. You are some tissues, okay. You need to be put somewhere else. I am never going to use these scents just because I only am ever going to use this. It's a clean scent. It's not bad for you. So I'm going to keep this, obviously. This I'm going to see if someone else wants these because these are really nice smells. Just don't foresee myself using something that's toxic anymore. Oh, I missed some eyeliners. Missed this whole thing. Oh, these are all pencils. These are all new. I can keep that. These are 2 great products. Do love those. My face halos, so I'm gonna keep those. I need to see if someone will want this because I don't foresee myself using microcurrent or whatever this is, and this probably is better with somebody that's going to use it. Love these. These are the freaking best. They're reusable cotton rounds. Amazing for literally everything, even to take like your masks off. Love these so much. Gonna keep them. Just need to put them in like a better place. Obviously I'm gonna keep my deodorant. This is also something that I'm not gonna use, which is a Scentbird thing. Great company, just I don't want to use anything toxic, so gotta get rid of that. Last Swab little ear things, gonna keep those. These are amazing, especially the makeup one. I was very actually worried about this, like not actually taking like anything off of you, but it does a really good job. Just does a really good job. Stains a little bit, but I'm not mad about it. I'm gonna keep these for now. Toothbrush head, need that. Face makeup remover. Face makeup remover. Gonna keep that. I don't foresee myself wanting to take a bath in something that's green. It's got dye in it, so I'm gonna pass that one along. Lint roller. But is this the place to keep a lint roller? I don't think so. So we're gonna figure that out. This is my toothbrush stuff, so I need that. This is good stuff. I don't think they're a company anymore though. So maybe I shouldn't use this anymore. True Botanicals. Actually, I'm gonna move you here. Do it like this. I made this plate. Don't know what to do with it though. This is my jewelry. I feel like I'm always gonna wear my engagement ring, so I don't need this big box. More jewelry. I do love this pair of earrings. These I'm probably gonna donate, so I'm just gonna put that over there. This is all of my actual jewelry that I really, really love, so I'm gonna hang on to that. I'm gonna just place that all there. Don't ever plan on using these, so I guess I'm gonna give these to my mom maybe. I don't know. And I will keep this for a little bit, because I will probably need to dye my eyebrows at some point. So that's that. You can go back in here. I might give you to my mom because I have a different cleanser that I use. So I'm gonna give this to my mom. I didn't even know that I had another one. And yeah, that's, I think, pretty good. Oh, this is also jewelry. I will do that on a different day, but those are all like important things to me, even though I don't wear them. First of all, I need to find my tissues. They're somewhere. They're somewhere. Okay. I think I did pretty darn good. Like, you can see the bottom of the drawers now. A lot of this stuff will also be like used up and replaced by like what I already have a backup for. So by the time that I think we're on the actual bus, I'll have even less, which is great because I'm not gonna have the space. So I'm pretty proud. Obviously this looks like craziness right now, but it's okay. We're gonna, you know, get rid of this stuff and this will all be nice and neat. So yeah. Actually, I feel a little bit better. Obviously, I'm gonna now go and clean stuff up and kind of like figure out what I'm giving to who and actually throw things away in the least terrible for the planet possible way. And yeah, I feel pretty good. So thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this little declutter and I hope that you think it looks nicer. So let me know how you think I did. Minimalism, I'm coming for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.